I was plateaued in my business, on the tools, off the tools, didn't really know how to take it to that next level. Trade Mastermind's really helped me with that. Coming off the tools is the biggest thing I've took from Trade Mastermind. I'm completely off now, have been since December. It's now, what are we now, nearly May. I haven't touched a boiler, so I can work on the business, not in it, bringing more work in because my time is free. I can answer those phone calls. I'm not missing calls and customers and voicemails and all that sort of stuff. It's all happening, and I'm getting back to these jobs that need doing. Before I would join the Trade Mastermind, I was probably doing 3 or 4 a month on average over the year. This month alone, it's the 17th now, so we've already done 11 boilers today, up to today, and I haven't installed any of those. The course is run by engineers for engineers. They're teaching us the things not to do as well as the things to do, so we don't have to make those mistakes. And you go, actually, yeah, I can do this because if this guy can do it and he's been through all of that, then there's definitely an opportunity for me to be able to do this. I do recommend Trade Mastermind. They're all coming to me and asking me what I'm up to now because they're seeing the things that I'm doing, dressed like this and not in workwear on a Tuesday afternoon, and they're asking why I'm doing it. So yeah, I do recommend Trade Mastermind.